What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to play We Are Chaos by Marilyn Manson. On this song we have a lot of chords to learn, no keyboard as you can see, and it's obviously in standard tuning, but there are likely I think 9 or 10 chords we have, 9 to 10 chords we have for this song. If you just have a look at the structure, it's actually basically very easy, but we got a lot of variation in the chord progression. We start off with the intro, then we have the verse, pre-chorus, intro, verse, chorus, next verse, next chorus, next verse, next chorus. Now the good thing about the song is all the chorus is the same, but the bad thing about is the verses, outro, intro are all different parts, which means verse 1 is different, verse 2 is different, verse 2 is... We'll talk about it later, but first let's have a look at the chords. If you know the chords, you can just skip a minute ahead, or let's quickly have a look at it. Disclaimer, I'm just gonna move very quickly through the chords, so if you can just pause the video and have a look at the chord shapes. First chord is a C major, which is mute 32010. Next chord is a E minor, which is 022000. The next one is a D minor, which is mute mute open second first, mute mute open second third first. I play it like this. Next chord is a G minor, which you can play it over here like this, 355-333, or in this traditional bar chord shape. Or the most easiest way is to play like this, in which you are playing the A and D string major. So we got E string, G string, B string, and the high string 3 fret. Make sure you get the A and D string major. The next chord is the F major, which is 1-3-3-2-1-1. Then we have is D major, which is mute mute open second third second. Then we have a G 3-2 open 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 3. Then we have a B minor, which is mute second 4-4-3-2. You can even play it like this. Then we have a F major, which is 1-3-3-2-1-1. Then we have a B major, which is mute 2-4-4-4, or you can even play it like this. It's a bit like you need to bring a forearm towards the guitar, so it's 2-4-4-4-2. That's it for the chords. Now let's have a look at the intro. We just have one chord, which is a C, and what we're doing is down 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 down. We repeat these 8 times on one chord, so it will be a down up, but it actually goes a lot fast. And we have this goes for the intro, I think. There's not much to look at, but the C major chord, you have to down up 8 times on the C chord. So we have very fast down 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 down. So 8 times on the C major chord. So it will be sounding like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have the C major 2 times for the intro, which means we're just gonna play the C major a total of 16 times. If I take down down up, so it will be down down into 16 for the normal C for the intro. So let's play that too. So I hope you got the string pattern. Down up, just simple down up. You need to be a bit fast. You can just play it softly and reduce the number of time you're just doing the strum. If you think that like you have to be a bit like you're not able to strum fast, but you have to maintain the tempo of the song, you can just go down a bit. So we'll play the C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that we have the verse, and for the verse we have a big long line of chord progression. So just have a look. I'm just gonna break down everything. So we have the C major, then the E minor, then the D minor, then the E minor, then the C, then the E minor, and the D minor, then the E major, then the E minor. Now here comes the variation. As you can see, there's an asterisk on the A minor, G minor, and the F following. So over here, I'm just gonna break down later. So A minor, then a G minor, then an F, and you see the C and G are having something special. That's basically the chord progression. Now for all the chords, like from the C till the E minor, we will be doing down up 8 times on each chord, and that will be done for the verse 1. Okay, crystal clear? Verse 1, doesn't matter what the chord is, from C till the E minor we'll do down up 8 times. When you come to A minor, you will do down up 4 times, even for the G minor 4 times, and even for the F major 4 times. and therefore the asterisk represents that. So 4 times down up on the A minor, G minor, and F. If you get confused, feel free to drop me a comment down below. And then you have the C and G, a bit special. For this, the string pattern will be, it's basically very easy. It's a down, down, up, down, up. I repeat, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. As you can see, it's a lot hard. I'm sweating really hard. So down, down, up, down, up. Repeat that twice for each chord. So for the C, it will be down, down, up, down. One more time. G major. And then you have the chorus. So that's it. Just pause the video. You can just rewind it because there's a lot of parts to learn over here. So let's play it. Verse 2, 3, 4. On the chorus. So obviously it may sound a bit awkward playing this string pattern, but it's the truth that this goes in the song. Now if you want to make it a bit more easy, instead of going 8 times down up, you can just do down up 8 times on one chord, which will make it a bit slower. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of doing, you can just go a bit slower and do down up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4. So down up, but this one down up. That's it. Let's move on to the chorus. We have a lot of parts to learn over here, man. So we got the chorus, and the chord progression will be a C, a A minor, a G minor, a D minor, a G major, then a C, then an A minor, then we have the D minor. But there's a bit trick over there in the D minor. Like a passing chord, we have the D major, and then we have the G major. The chord progression will be the one which I used in the verse, which is down, up, down, up, which I used for the special C and the G. So we have down, up, down, up. We'll obviously play that twice for each chord. Doesn't matter what the chord is for the chorus, except for the D and the D minor, we just played once, and therefore the asterisk over here shows that only you will play down, up, down, up, down, up, once for the D and the D minor each, and for other twice. So let's play the chorus. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I made a big mistake. Sorry, I'm just gonna start it from the beginning. I really apologize for it. 1, 2, I'm very sorry. 4. Here comes the D. I agree the chorus is a bit more like raw stuff you have over here. So what you can do is you can even play the bar chords if you want. So anything you want to know, anything you want to learn, just drop my comment down below. Now we have the verse 2. For the verse 2, what I like to do is I like to follow the string pattern of the chorus, since it's not like the beginning we have down. So for the verse 2, the chord progression changes. So it will be a C, then an E minor, then a D minor. So C, then an E minor, then a D minor, then an E minor, then we have A minor, then a G, then a F, then a C, then a G, and you move on to the chorus. So let's play that down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Go to E minor. One more time. Back to E minor. E minor. A minor comes. G. Bar G, but you can play the normal one. F. C. And the last G, and with that you just go to the chorus. Now for the chorus, it's again the exact same thing. Exact same thing means exact same thing. Now we have the verse 3, and there's a bit of changes over here. Chord progression changes completely. We have a B minor, then a C, from a B minor to a C, then a B minor, and then this line is just a little bit tricky. Again, you see the asterisk is on the B minor, then the next chord is a B, there's an asterisk, again a B minor, you see there's an asterisk, and on the A minor and the G. So, and the G is a bit special. So just see what I'm doing. On the B minor, C, B minor, C is normal. I'm doing down, down, up, down, up, again down, down, up, down, up. Even for the C, even for the next B minor, even for the next C. But then the next B minor which we have, what I do is I do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, just once. I play that just once. So make sure you play that once. So down, down, up, down, up. And for this one, down, down, up, down, up. B minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then the A minor comes to normal 2 times. And then the G, you're just gonna do one down, and you're just gonna step to the chorus. So let's play the verse 3. Special chord. Go to the chorus, again the exact same thing. Now we have the outro. For the outro, the chord progression will be a C, A minor, D minor, G, a C, A minor. And they can just do the exact same string pattern, down, down, up, down, up twice for each chord. And that's it. So if this is a job, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, and make sure to hit that bell icon, because I upload the most fastest song out there in YouTube with the most accurate version, and obviously with that when it comes to finger picking and soloing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment down below any other song that you want on guitar. Monday, Tuesday is likely a day when I just gonna complete all your requests. And that's it for this lesson. Check out all the videos which came out this Friday on the channel, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.